Welcome to our final project presentation. Our group, the Dream Team, is made up of Bruno, Ola, Anna, Jonathan, and myself, Hannah. Our project is BooksBuzz, a responsive web app which lets users keep track of books they are currently reading, log old favourites, and suggest books recommendations based on what is popular in the BooksBuzz community. We looked at other book organisation apps and found none which had a search feature where you could scan a book, which we thought would be a great feature when out and about. You see a book you like in Waterstones, you scan the barcode, and you can save it to your profile to remember for later. This is the BooksBuzz landing page. Users can register for an account to gain access to BooksBuzz. We use Firebase for authentication, which enables users to log in, taking them to the BooksBuzz homepage.
Hi, I'm Ola. This is our homepage where user can see a list of books which are New York Times bestsellers and can also scroll between them with carousel functionality that we use. After that, we have users' favorites section where our BooksPlus app suggested updated book recommendations based on what other users added to their favorites, and also where the user can see them and scroll between them. At the end of our homepage, we have the map functionality where the user can discover the libraries and bookshops in their local areas.
Hi, my name's Jonathan. We designed a search component. We designed it to be as accessible as possible and give the user as many options as possible to be able to search for the book that they're after. First of all, we can search using the fields. We can search via title, author, and ISBN, which update the request made to the Google Books API. We also have functionality to be able to scan a barcode of a book. Once scanned, it populates the search results with the book ISBN that was scanned. We also have the possibility to be able to search by voice. Wuthering Heights. This then populates the search bar, which we can use to find the books.
Hi, I'm Anata Shivam. Users have the option to click on any of the thumbnails in the homepage, leading them to a dedicated page for each book. The single book page provides detailed information about a particular book, including cover image, title, author, publication date, and description, all seamlessly retrieved from the Google Books API. Within the single book page, users can also perform various actions, such as adding a book to their favorites or currently reading, saving a book for later, or marking it as read. For example, when the user clicks the Add to Favorites button, a notification will appear confirming the successful addition of this book to their favorites. However, if they try to add the same book more than once, they'll be reminded that this book is already in their favorites collection. To accomplish this, we've implemented safeguards to prevent the addition of duplicates into our Firebase database. The profile page is where each user can conveniently keep track and manage their favorite books, what they're currently reading, books saved for later, and the ones that they've marked as read. Arranged into distinct shelves, each with clickable thumbnails, these categories are presented in a carousel format, offering smooth horizontal scrolling. Users can also effortlessly remove a book from any of these shelves by pressing the rubbish bin icon in the upper right corner of each thumbnail, thus maintaining their profile page up to date.
Hi everyone, my name is Bruno Fernandez. Our objective was to build a fully functional web application that would solve a specific problem. In order to achieve this, we chose Firebase as our main backend tech, as it provides user authentication as well as a database system. We wanted to allow users to register, log in, sign out. We also wanted to store users' information and books information. Therefore, we chose Firebase to solve this problem. We killed two birds with one stone. As an addition to our backend, we used Google Books API in order to fetch books based on the search value and display them on the page. For the front end, we needed to find a tech that would allow us to integrate Firebase. We chose Next.js. It is fast, powerful, and popular. We wanted our app to be snappy and functional, and these two seem to be the best tech that we could use to achieve our objective. We use this system called Proxy to show users local libraries and bookshops. We used vanilla CSS and Tailwind CSS to style our app. Having a functional application is good, but having a beautiful and functional web application is fantastic. We used GitHub to facilitate collaboration during the project phase. We used an agile methodology, as it would allow us to develop our app in sprints and also allow us to hold daily stand-up meetings so that we all could talk about what tickets we were working on, and any issues we were facing while working on that particular ticket. All of the tech that we used to develop our app work well together. Therefore, our app is fast and smooth, which leads to an enjoyable user experience. Our main challenges were implementing Firebase authentication, as there were a lot of things that we needed to do to make it work that we had not done before. Also, the scanning and voice search functionality were very tricky to implement. We really had to come together as a team and work hard to achieve our objective.